Good morning students. Now I'll teach you how to connect two number of DC motor using a single two-way switch. Now for this we require two DC motor 1 and motor 2, and so here M1 and M2, and for this I have taken a switch, two-way switch. It has three terminal, you see, three terminal. Okay, middle one is common, and 1, 2, 3 names are okay, and battery with holder, and tools, screwdriver, wire cutter, instrument tape, and a cutter. Let us study the circuit. So see student, the two-way switch, it has three terminal, 1, 2, 3. See, two-way switch, always it is connected to one side. Let it is connected this side. This is open and this one closed. Now see, when it will connect like this, the current will flow in this direction and it will give supply to this. So the M1 will work, but M2 will not work. But when we press this side, it will be disconnected and it will be connected. In that case, the current flow in this direction and M2 will work, M1 will not work. So this way you can use two different type of device using a two-way switch. So let us start the practical. Now see, this is the 1 and this one 2, middle one 2, 3 points. So I have kept like this. Now this one the 1, 2, 3, and I have taken this one A. This is AB terminal of a motor M1, and this one CD terminal of a motor M2. And the battery has two connection point, and you can name it E and F. Okay. Now see student. Now you take any one connection, no problem. Polarity is not important, and this one. So one connection you have to give here this side. This is connected. Now come to the third one, and you take any one connection. Polarity also required, but here I am not taking this one. So now connect B, F and D. So here, after connecting this one with the positive side, now from here I am connecting this one. Now see, already it is working. So now it is working. So by using a single two-way switch, you can operate two fans. Thank you.